fuck it.
What happened to you?
Oh, something just bit me right now.
Sorry,
really
sorry,
painful, really painful. Over there,
Just keep cool, okay? Just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Yeah. It's gonna be alright, okay?
Yeah, bro.
It's gonna be alright. Just calm down. Calm down.
Yeah! Waiting bite me, oh!
Hey!
Waiting bite me.
Now what do you now?
Oh, something just bite me. No.
Wait.
Hey!
No be Tata Polo.
What?
You know say Bisola Papa die for January. The mama die for February. The sister die for March. April, brother die. He can't wait. Reach December, the stepfather die. Wait till this a killer. Now this thing kill them. Where sir? Your own small, so maybe you no go to die. You go just die small.
Oh my God.